partial differentiation. So differentiation, that means derivative. Let us revise few results of derivative first of all, then we will able to start partial differentiation. First, derivative. Any of you know what is derivative of x raised to 10? What is derivative of x raised to 10? Derivative of x raised to 10.
So 10x raised to 9.
Correct. 10 into x raised to 9. Perfect. So tell me the formula derivative of x raised to n.
N raised to n into x raised to n minus 1.
Correct. N into x raised to n minus 1. That is the formula. You can put n is any number. Now if we take n equal to 1. So derivative of x raised to 1. X raised to 1 is nothing but what? X. So put n equal to 1. So it is 1 into x raised to 1 minus 1. That means 1 into x raised to 0. But anything raised to 0 is what? 1. So 1 into 1. So the answer is 1. That is derivative of x is 1. Now put n equal to 2. So derivative of x raised to 2 is, so 2 into x raised to 2 minus 1. So it is 2 into x raised to 1 and x raised to 1 is x. So the answer is 2 into x. That is derivative of x square is 2x. Now put n equal to 3. That is derivative of x raised to 3. So the answer is 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1 is 2. So 3x square is the answer. So if we put n equal to 10, so we can say that derivative of x raised to 10 is 10 into x raised to 10 minus 1 is what? 9. Now put n equal to minus 1. So derivative of x raised to minus 1. Now tell me the answer for this question. What is derivative of x raised to minus 1? Derivative of x raised to minus 1.
Minus x raised to minus 2.
Yes, minus 1 into x raised to minus 2. So it is minus 1 into, okay, no need to write minus 1. So you can write only minus x raised to minus 2. Yes, you are right. That is derivative of x raised to minus 1. You can write 1 upon x. Is this you can write minus 1 upon x square. So derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. Now put n equal to 0. So what will get? Derivative of x raised to 0 is 0 into x raised to 0 minus 1, and that is 0 into anything is what? 0. So we can say that derivative of, that is derivative of x raised to 0 means what? 1. So derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of 1 is 0. Now if there is a question, what is derivative of 5? So you can write this 5 equal to 5 into x raised to 0. 5 into x raised to 0. But x raised to 0 is nothing but what? 1. So we can say that this is same like this, derivative of 1 is 0. So similarly x raised to 0 is 1. So derivative of 1 is 0 and 1 into 5 is, sorry, 0 into 5 is 0. So we can say that derivative of constant number is 0. So derivative of any constant number is 0. Now if we put n equal to, let us say 1 upon 2. So if we put n equal to 1 upon 2, what will happen? Derivative of x raised to 1 upon 2. Derivative of x raised to 1 upon 2. Now please tell me the answer for this question. What is derivative of x raised to 1 upon 2? Derivative of x raised to 1 upon 2.
1 upon 2x raised to minus 1 by 2.
Yes, it is 1 upon 2 into x raised to 1 upon 2 minus 1. And we know that 1 upon 2 minus 1 is nothing but minus 1 upon 2. So derivative of x raised to 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 2 into x raised to minus 1 upon 2. Or you can write this as 1 upon 2 into 1 upon, if you want to write this x raised to minus 1 upon 2, this minus sign positive, then we have to write this thing in denominator. And ultimately we get 1 upon 2 into x raised to 1 upon 2. So that is derivative of x raised to 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 2 into x raised to 1 upon 2. But we know that x raised to 1 upon 2 is also written as root x. So you can say that derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 into root x. So derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 into x root x. That is the answer. So let us revise this results. You can consider this as a result. Derivative of constant number is 0. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x. Derivative of 1 upon x is minus 1 upon x square. So these are results you have to learn. Now tell me, what is derivative of e raised to kx? What is derivative of e raised to kx? Any of you know the answer for this question? E raised to kx. What is derivative of e raised to kx? Okay, now learn this. E raised to kx into k. Or you can write k into e raised to kx. Example, derivative of e raised to 5x. Tell me the answer now. E raised to 5x.
5 into e raised to 5x.
Correct. Now tell me the answer for this e raised to minus 3x.
Minus
E raised
3 into e raised to minus 3x.
Correct. Tell me the answer for this e raised to minus x.
Minus 1 into e raised to minus x.
Minus, correct. And instead of minus 1, you can write minus e raised to minus x. Tell me the answer for this e raised to x. What is the derivative of e raised to x? E raised to x. What is the derivative of e raised to x? What is the value of k here? Once again.
e raised to x ही होगा ना, मतलब 1 into e raised to x.
Correct. 1 into e raised to x. That means what? E raised to x. So derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Okay. Now one more result. Derivative of a raised to kx. See, the derivative of a raised to kx is a raised to kx into k into log a base e. Please learn this. Derivative of a raised to kx is a raised to kx into k into log a base e. So let us take one example. Derivative of 5 raised to 3x. So the answer is 5 raised to 3x into 3 into log 5 base e. So now tell me the answer for this question. Derivative of 4 raised to 7x. 4 raised to 7x.
4 raised to 7x into 7 log 4 base 2 is
Base e. Correct. Tell me the answer of this. 2 raised to minus 5x. 2 raised to minus 5x.
2 raised to minus 5x into minus 5 log 2 base e.
Correct. Now tell me the answer for this. 3 raised to x.
3 raised to x log 3 base e.
Correct. No need to write into 1. Okay, tell me once again. Derivative of 9 raised to minus 5x. Once again.
9 raised to minus 5x minus into minus 5 log 9 base e.
Okay. Now tell me the answer for this. E raised to minus 5x. So it is same. E raised to minus 5x into minus 5 into log e base e. But the value of log e base e is always 1. So my final answer is e raised to minus 5x into minus 5. Okay, tell me the answer for this. E raised to 3x.
E raised to 3x into 3 log e base e.
But log e base is what? 1. So the final answer is e raised to 3x into 3. Or you can write 3 into e raised to 3x. So learn this result, one more result. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So learn these results of derivative so we are able to start partial differentiation next time, because we require concept of derivative differentiation in partial differentiation. So you have to learn this few results so we are able to start partial differentiation easily. So this is enough for today. If you have any question, ask your doubt.